kiheotv haria hothe uratwamukira hoini wa umuthi na mwihoko wakwa ni ati wina thayo ngakunyita ugeni tukorwo tugikumenyithia maria matukinyire metha-ini itu ya muhoro waini wa umuthi ni njitagwo Wangari wa Kimani nake mutwathiriri na njira ciiko etagwo Naomi wa Mathu. Tukembereria ni ati thukuru wa Jewel Professional College uria uri nyumba-ini nene ya Jewel Complex Roysambu muciini wa Nairobi ni utafanĩtie igongona ria gucokia ngatho ni undu wa gukorwo kirikiriria mwaka mugima.
Universities are moving to the level of TVET. Why are the universities moving down to the level of TVET? Ask yourself that question, because that is where skills are. So you pick a Jewel technical student, you have the privilege of getting the skills. The other day I said, one purpose or one main reason for education in the entire world, the education tries to address the needs in the society. And the needs we have right now in the society is getting skills, people with skills, not degrees for white-collar jobs, but technical skills that can make you, you can probably become an entrepreneur, start your own job, or get employed where you start using your skills. And thank you. Throughout the entire year, you have been here. Whether you have been able to pay your school fees or not, you have availed yourself today to say thank you. Whether you have passed the exams or not, you are here today to tell God thank you. Whatever difficult situation that you have been through, you are here to tell God thank you. However smooth or easy your life has been throughout the year, you are here to tell God thank you.
For in this Thanksgiving Day and ceremony, let us commit ourselves to running a gratitude protocol daily. By being thankful daily, whether things are good or bad, you are thankful to God. Whether you have slept hungry, you tell God thank you. Whether you have walked from home to school, you come telling God thank you. Whether you are in whatever need you are in, your friend is doing better than yourself, your family is doing better than your family, you thank God for whatever family you are brought up in or where you are born in. Now, thanksgiving becomes the backbone of our character. Now, let us send a message of appreciation to our colleagues, to our classmates, to our friends, to our parents, to our siblings, and to whoever or maybe any member of the society who makes our day easier or successful.
Na tore oshigi githomo ni ati minister wa githomo Julius Migos Ogamba akinyite igongona-ini ria 74 ria kuhumbwo Thũmbĩ University-ini wa Nairobi na kuria andu 4,500 mahumbirwo Thũmbĩ. Ogamba ni atugiritie arutwo othe aria makorirwo makihumbwo Thũmbĩ na gutongereria university ucio ni wirutiri munene wa miaka mingi, akiuga ati ni ikinya ringi ria kinyukio ona hari bururi na kuria oreti arutwo na arutani guthie na mbere na kwirutaniria makiria.
Ladies and gentlemen, we gather here today having just navigated a very challenging season. The recent industrial action in the university subsector was a moment of deep anxiety for the whole of the education sector and the nation at large. Our universities are the engine of our economy, and when that engine stalls, the whole nation shivers. The resolution to that strike that was signed on the 5th of November 2025, ending the 49-day strike, was a victory for dialogue. It was a commitment to restore trust, and I wish to announce here today that the government is committed to releasing the 2 tranches of the outstanding 7.7 billion as agreed, arising out of the arrears of the 2017-2021 CBA. am aware that all the universities have since then moved fast to streamline the academic calendar to make up for the lost time, and that all learning and research activities are now running smoothly. We have every reason to celebrate you for the discipline, for the hard work that has enabled you to come this far. Today, graduates, you are not just receiving a degree, you are also receiving the full weight of the sacrifices made by yourselves during your study and on your behalf by your parents, guardians, and sponsors who have supported you and walked with you along this journey to make this day possible. The award that you receive today is not merely a degree or just a piece of paper. It is a promise of a great future. A promise that you use your knowledge, your resilience, and your skill sets to serve not only yourself, but your country, your family, and your community.
Tugithii na mbere ni ati muiritu umwe wa ukuru wa miaka 22 ni agegetia Kenya na uni thutha wa kuhimbiria muti ihinda-ini ria mathaa 72 kaunti-ini ya Nyeri. Hamwe na aria mathiite kumucerera ni gavana wa kaunti yo Mutahi Kahiga. Andu angi mamucereire na kugegio ni giko giki guko amwe makimukungwira. Trufena ta uria kurekanite ambiriri itua riri kiambiriri-ini gia kiumia giki na akoretwo muti-ini ucio hinde ya mbura na mahinda-ini mari mothe atekuria kunywa ona kana kuhuruka. Magana ma atumia na mbeũ njithi kaunti-ini ya Mombatha ni magunĩkĩte na gĩthomo gĩa biacara na mawĩra arĩ ta njĩra ĩmwe ya kũnina wagi wa mawĩra ũrĩa ũthiĩte na mbere na kuonekana ũkĩongerereka gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Mũbango ũyũ ũtanyĩtwo gũkinyĩra atumia na mbeũ njithi 217 kaunti-inĩ 47 gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ihinda-inĩ rĩa mĩeri 18. Akĩaria arĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Mombatha, Geraldine Chepchirchir na ũrĩa nĩ mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa Bright Amand Kenya augĩte atĩ gĩthomo gĩkĩ nĩ gĩgũkorwo gĩkĩrehe ũkũria na gĩkĩro kĩnene gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Some of the services that we'll be offering will include CV reviews. We have the AI career tool that will potentially make your CV ATS friendly. We will have interview preparation. We will have mentorship going on in these same hubs. So we're very, very excited to be here in Mombasa. And also just looking into the next few weeks, we're looking to open similar job centers across different locations in the country. We're looking to have one in Eldoret, one in Machakos, and one in Kakamega by the next week. So we're very excited because we're taking these initiatives to our young people where they are, right? So we are, again, looking at how do we support our young people get work.
So far katika database yetu tumeregister na kuverify vijana 25,000 kutoka sana Kilifi, Kwale na Mombasa. Azma yetu kwa hawa vijana 25,000, at least 20,000 tunataka kuwapitisha katika mentorship program. So katika mentorship program ndio hizo issues za values zinakuja, issues za self discovery, kubadilisha mindset ya kijana, because once umebadilisha mindset ya kijana, then hata ukimpatia fedha, then ni rahisi yeye kutumia ile fedha vizuri. Lakini ikiwa hiyo mindset hakuna, hata leo kama Bright Amand wako hapa, ikiwa wanajaribu kuongea na mtu ambaye akili yake bado haimo, then hakuna ile mahali ambayo tutaenda.
Tunafundisha a lot of things kuhusu business na kujiendeleza kimaisha.
Riboti yo igukorwo igitwe mweke wa gukorwo tukihumuka no ndugathi haraya tugucokereria tukumenyithie mangi.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku. Guru
thukuru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muigi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici citoro Esambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM. Kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Ni wiharirie kuoya ikinya mbere hari kiria wiriragiria guthoma. Ndugathinike ringi riu kuona Jewel Technical College mari haha ni undu waku. Tuthomithagia kothi itiganite ta journalism and media studies niguo memerekia, hospitality management niguo rugi, cosmetology and beauty therapy ni maundu megie no thaka, ICT, it's an electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makiria moguo. Ni turi na thiomi cia nanja nicio Korean language o hamwe na German. Tucerere Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatu kurigania na TRM. No tuhurire thimu kifugo mugwanja kifugo imwe githatu kifugo mugwanja imwe niyo 0701 300 071 kana no tucerere rurenda-ini rwitu ni ruo jewelcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Ruoro rugitema koragwo wi wa mbere kumenya mari marahanika guko bururi-ini na nja wa itoka cia Kenya thiini wa tabarira ya gugithereruka ni kwambiriria thinacara kinyagia thaa 3 cia rucini o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia wa gatano. Joyce Wajiko wa Mwangi mari hamwe na Francis Wairura magakurehera ndereti itiganite mathaa matatu ma kuhingura muthenya waku gathondekwo ukagira. Mururumo mweru wa Kiheo TV.
I see trees of green.
Muturire wa o mundu oro wothe ni uvataraga muonere ungi wa maundu.
I see them bloom for
Thutha wa minoga ya muthenya ni uvataire kuhuruka na kwirorera thenema cia gugucanjamura, thenema cia gutuma utheke wingaurire. Wavatara guthutherwo ngoro na gwikirwo mwihoko. Nawe mwendi thenema cia haro ndutigitwo na thutha. Thenema cirongoreirie ng'ano cia ma.
God's children are no longer for sale.
Thenema cia ukristiano iria ungirorera muri hamwe na ciana.
But when you find identity in the one who created you, it changes your whole perspective.
Ni undu wa mwago uyu wiroragire Kiheo TV o muthenya kwambiriria thaa 4 cia utuku. Ukene ukenuke.
what a wonderful world.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Nitwacokereria ngonyite ugeni igereka-ini ritu ria keri na ruhonge rwa urigiti kaunti-ini ya Kilifi niruhanite riboti na ithabu iria yonanitie ati ni kuongererekeire makiria mirimo ya maitho. Ni murimo wirikanite gukorwo ukihinyiriria arwaru na gukorwo mari na thina wa kuona haraya. Icigo cia Kaloleni na Ganza ikionekana gukorwo na andu aingi makiria aria magumirwo ni thina uyu, ta uria mwandiki witu wa mohoro wa Mbui wa Ng'ang'a aratariria.
Ugonjwa sugu huu wa cataract na wengi tumeweza kuona ni kwa sababu unaletwa na uzee ambao watu wamekuwa umri ukipita, ile macho pia yanaweza kuumizwa kwa sababu ya zile lenses zao. Na ya pili, wale wako kwenye risk zaidi ni huu ugonjwa wa sukari, ambayo nayo pia hiyo afya mashinani tunaweza kufika kule na madaktari wetu ma specialist wanaweza kuangalia kwa kina huu ugonjwa wa sukari ili tuweze kuwasaidia ndio haya shida ya macho isiweze kupatikana.
Hii cataract tunaitibu kwa njia ya upasuaji. Upasuaji ambao tunaondoa ile lens ambayo imepata utandu ama ukungu ama ile cataract, tunaiondoa na kuiweka lens ingine ambayo ni mpya ambayo iko clear na inamwezesha mtu kuweza kuona.
Jicho yangu ilikuwa inaona double, ilikuwa na ile black spot on the front and I couldn't see far, but after the operation sasa imekuwa naona kila kitu sawa sawa.
Nilikuwa nina matatizo kutoka siku nyingi sana, lakini kumshukuru Mungu kwa sababu Mungu yuko pamoja na wanadamu, si ndio? Maana hata kutoka zile wiki zile mwaka jana nilikuwa natatizika na kisunzi, nilikuwa sijiwezi hata kutembea, nilikuwa siwezi.
Bũrũri wa Kenya na bũrũri wa Denmark nĩ ikũngũĩire mĩaka 60 ya ũnyitanĩri na ngwatanĩro njega na kũrĩa makoretwo makĩrutithania wĩra kwa ihinda iraya. Ngwatanĩro ici nĩ irehete ũkũria na kwagĩrithia biacara gatagatĩ ka mabũrũri maya merĩ arĩ hamwe na ũrĩmi, hinya na ũrigiti. Na riboti yo ya ngwatanĩro ya bũrũri wa Kenya na Denmark ikorwo igĩtiriha Kiheo Kabiru Thaa Imwe. Tucemanicie ndawega thaa 3 tukorwo tukunengereria maya na mangĩ maingĩ ta ũrĩa tũgũthiĩ na mbere na gũkũharĩrĩria na hamwe na arĩa othe makorwo manyitĩrĩire mwaro gũtigĩrĩra no twamũkĩra na njĩra ĩgwete. Niĩ njĩtagwo Wangari wa Kimani, mũtwathĩrĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Naomi wa Mathunga. Kwendithĩria wĩroreri mwega wa tabarĩra citũ iria irathiĩ na mbere.